I'm going to give you some tips to help you with your preparation for your driving test with the nerves, because surprisingly lots of people suffer from their driving test nerves. So your first tip is, if you know that you're going to be suffering with the driving test nerves on that day, and it's going to affect the way you drive, because you know in the past when you've took exams it's just gone to pot because you've been a wreck, then you really need to start thinking in advance what you can do to make things easier. And what I would say to people is try and keep a good sleeping pattern, so that you're getting a good 7.5, 8 hours sleep minimum each night leading up to that test a week before. Don't kind of start kind of having short sleeps, waking up in the middle of the night, because it's just going to mess things up. You're going to feel tired, and when you feel tired, people get more stressed. Another thing also is, if you like fruit, I know I've said this in the past in some videos, but have a banana a day leading up to your driving test a week before, so that you get that banana shot, which helps calm things down also. Let's give them a quick wave. Another one is you can take herbal remedies. There's calms, and I think the one I use, I'll just lean forward, let me find what it's called. It's called Blockhead, and I get that from the BP garages, which is a gum for helping people calm when they've got nerves. That's an easy one, and they're all kind of herbal. So I suppose it's down to whatever suits you really. And another one is, you can do online stuff, such as online courses, or even online one-to-one, or even a Zoom one-to-one with other instructors who are specialising people with nerves on the driving tests. Because there are people out there, and if you want to know more about that, I'll put a couple of links in the description of people specialising in things like that for you, to give you a bit of something to click on and do a bit of research. And I suppose a couple of other final things is, make sure you bring some water along, because if it's a hot day, you want to make sure you're not drying up too much. And when you're chatting to the examiner, you can have a bit of drink of water at the beginning, can't you? And one final one is, obviously, your preparation with your instructor. Just make sure that you're good at your manoeuvres, you're confident with your driving, because all these things added together will make things easier. Because if you're not confident that you're driving, you're not very good at your manoeuvres, all you're going to do is put a lot of pressure on yourself, which will add to the driving test nerves. Okay, so that's a quick one. If you've liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Okay, take care, good luck on the driving test, and I hope it's a success for you.